Okay, class, we're starting the last drawing in this assignment. So first, let's get some room to work. We're going to slide this drawing over, zoom in just a little bit, and let's look at the drawing we're doing. We're doing number 7. So the first thing I see is that the height of that corner in the middle between the side view and the front view is 0.5. So start with draw, hit line, start here, go up, make sure it's green so it's vertical, and go 0.5. All right, now we're going to turn to the right, keeping it at that 30-degree angle. And we see that that first square is also 0.5 wide. Come down, keeping it green, 0.5, enter, and then come back to where we started. So remember, it's going to snap, and you know you're snapping at the end when you see the green square. All right, so we have the first part of it done. Now let's draw another line, starting at the bottom, and let's do the entire width. The entire width is 2 inches, so 2, enter. I'm going to take it up 0.5. I'm going to bring it down, keeping it at that 30-degree angle, and that is another 0.5. 0.5, enter. Go straight up, and we go up 0.25. Enter. We come back, and that is 1. Keep it green. Go down 0.25. Enter, and back to where we started. And now hit escape to get out of the line command. Okay, so now let's do that, the very top plane. So I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, position it a little better. Remember, zoom by hitting the wheel, pan by holding the wheel down. So I'm starting with the line tool. I see the overall depth. It really doesn't give us the overall depth. It tells us that each of those squares is 0.5, and it looks like the middle is about half of that, so we are going to call that 1.25. So start with the line, start at this edge, 1.25. Enter. Go up 0.25. And back to where we started. Now, okay, so let's finish this top plane. So that's pretty easy. We're going to start with a 30-degree line here. We had determined that the whole depth is 1.25. Then we'll come back to that point. So now we have the top done. All right, so now let's do this piece over here. That's easy. So we know that each one of these is 0.5. And then I'm just going to pull this out to be a placeholder. I'm going to end up deleting this. And now I'm going to draw from here to here 0.25, which is the space, and draw out here. Those things I'm going to be deleting. It's just to hold my place. Now I'm going to start here, come out 0.5, turn it at that, make sure it's at that proper angle. And I don't know how far I'm seeing, so I'm just going to go past the line, make sure it stays green, and click. Then I'm going to go to modify, and I forgot to hit escape to get out of the tool. So I hit escape. Now I'm going to hit trim and do this. Okay, remember these are 3 separate lines here. So what I can do here is I don't have to hit trim, I can just hit erase. So I'm going to do the one in the middle, this, and this. Well, okay, I have to confirm selection. I forgot to do that. So back to erase, confirm selection. If I wanted to do more than one, what I'd have to do is to hold the Shift key, which I could have done. Okay, so now I know that I need another line coming this way, and I know it's going to be the same as that one because it runs into the line at the same place. So I'm going to use another modify tool to copy. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to right click to do confirm. I'm going to snap there and then come down and snap at the end of this one. And I thought I had erased this, but obviously I haven't. So hit erase, hit this, then do confirm. Probably what happened is I forgot to hit confirm. So let's copy again. I'm going to copy this one, confirm, going to snap at that end to make sure I see that square. See, if I snap here, I'm not seeing the square. Make sure you see the square so you know you're at the end. And then snap there. Hit escape to get out of it. And now we know we need a vertical line here to go down until it runs into that, wherever that might be. So I'm going to go to draw, hit line, hit at that point, come down and make sure that I'm keeping it green. Then I'm going to go to modify, trim again, and trim this out and that out, and confirm selection. So the back part's all done. We don't have very far to go here. So let's go back to draw, hit line again, go right here, keep it at that angle. See, I know that I've got it at the angle besides being green because it's also running into these other things. I know the dimension is 0.5, so I'm typing in 0.5, enter, and hit escape. So now I have this one more cube over here to do. So I'm going to click here on line, click here at the endpoint. I'm going to go over 0.25 because that's the spacing between. I'm going to come back and delete this in a minute. I'm going to go up 0.5. I'm going to go this way till I see it green, type in 0.5, enter. And I can come back and delete this, go to modify, delete this right here, confirm, otherwise it won't go away. Go back to draw, hit line again. Going to start here, go 0.5, go straight up 0.5, come back over here, hit escape, hit line again, go from this point to this point, and one more line and we are done. So we're going to draw a line from this point, keep it at that, keep it green. Let's see if I can keep it green up here so I won't have as much to trim. Hit escape, go to modify, trim. Okay, so I need to slide this over so that doesn't block my view. So trim, 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 and confirm selection. And we have our last drawing done. So now you need to turn it in. What I want you to do to turn it in is to do a snip of everything. And so you'll probably want to do, since you have them all spread out, you'll probably want to do 4 different snips. So open the snip tool, do this particular one, name it number 7, then go zoom out, do the next one, name that one number 5, and so on, and turn them all in. And that is the end of the project.